Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Daddy Tate Coin on Phantom Wallet. So, first thing you're going to need to do is you have to download Phantom Wallet or download the Phantom Wallet extensions for your browser. And then just create a new wallet and securely back up with recovery phrase. Now, to buy Daddy Tate Coin on Phantom Wallet, you just have to visit a Solana-based DEX like Radium or Serum. And then you just have to connect your Phantom Wallet to DEX. So just tap on this one. And then on the DEX screen, which is here, just have to select this and search for Daddy Tate, which is this one. And then you just have to swap it and you can now buy the Daddy Tate coin. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!